Can you tell me about something that surprised you during this recent experience, and how that required you to dig deep for humility?
In the inpatient units, the rooms, there were no private rooms that I saw in my experience. I'm not saying that there weren't, there just were none in that experience. But the shared rooms had 6 to 8 people sharing a room. And there were no separators, no curtains. So
And how did you feel when you saw that?
I was shocked. I was a little bit appalled. I will, not in a negative way, and I'm not trying to criticize the Croatian healthcare system, but I was probably initially appalled because right off the bat, my mind went to the hospital system here. And I was speaking, or I guess that feeling came because I have been a patient. And, I've delivered my children in a hospital setting, and I know that we asked for a private room. I want my private room. And
privacy is very important.
it's very important, or at least in the culture that I have been raised in and have worked in, is important. And I speak from experience as a nurse who worked on an inpatient unit where families and patients were frequently asking for a private room, or there's too much noise in this room, or, I don't want to be sharing this room. So I guess I give that a higher level of priority because of the experiences that I brought with me coming from Canada to Croatia. However, on the flip side of that, I also saw a lot of things that were very positive because of that. So in those rooms where 6 or 8 patients may be, I noticed that there was a small kitchen table in the corner, and the patients that could get out of bed and would take their breakfast trays and go eat together in that corner. And I also noticed there was a lot of dialogue amongst the patients, and they would celebrate. So if you were being discharged, the other person was like, "Oh, I'm so happy for you, good luck." And so there was a lot of that happening. There was a lot of shared communication. It was almost like we'd walked into a mini culture in that room and a mini community. Very much.